Music producer Jahvy Ambassador Morrison has been charged in connection with the Sunday shooting. The incident happened at the Big Wall party in St. Andrew, where several people were injured, Halshinberg reports.
Less than a week after shooting at the Big Wall party in St. Andrew, charges have been laid against the music producer Jahvy Ambassador Morrison, following questioning late Friday. He faces charges including assault, wounding with intent, and using a prohibited weapon. The other accused in the incident, vlogger and content creator Jahvy Richards, was charged earlier yesterday with unauthorized possession of a prohibited weapon and ammunition, shooting with intent, wounding with intent, and using a prohibited weapon to commit a felony. Morrison is represented by attorneys Peter Champagny KC, Richard Lynch, and Saeed Bernard. Mr. Lynch told the Gleaner that Morrison remains calm and in high spirits as the matter moves forward through the court system. He says his client anticipates that he'll be vindicated and is maintaining that his actions were in self-defense. Attorney Isaac Buchanan is representing Richards in the matter. The men were taken into custody following the shooting at the post-carnival event, which has sparked much public debate. It's alleged that they shot at each other during a heated dispute. 3 persons, including Richards, were shot in the incident. One of them was a visitor to the island. 2 firearms were seized by the police following the incident. And attorney Isaac Buchanan says his client is surprised at the charges which have been laid against him. Mr. Buchanan says Jahvy is maintaining his innocence. He was speaking yesterday on Radio Jamaica's Beyond the Headlines. Halshinberg, TVJ News.